Ano na, I love you. I love you. Saka ni baby, I love you. Then yeah, look forward for more. Okay, Team Loves. Another vlog na naman, Team Loves. Nandito na naman kami.
Bago naman ang menu nila.
Ha?
Bagong-bago yung menu nila. I love the colors. So, pink and what's this? Tiffany green, Tiffany blues.
Yan. So, nandito kami sa The Waste Goes Dinner. So, nandito yung mga gangs, Team Loves. Nandun sila.
Yung mga...
Hello. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. So, yun. So, kami nasa ibang area kami.
We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So, nandito tayo sa Leura Toy Museum. Meron din siyang garden sa loob. So, yesterday pumunta kami dito pero unfortunately closed. So, bumalik kami with a gang. Kompleto na! Ang gang! Kompleto na finally. So, yes. We will go inside and let's see kung anong nandun.
Yes, let's go, Team Labs! Yung parking pala dito, Team Labs, is nasa labas lang. Dito. So, yun. Kung pupunta kayo dito, best parking spot dito. Yan.
Hi. Welcome to our house.
Wow! Let's go, Team Labs, sa house ni Joey. Oh, ganda.
So, nandito na kami sa museum. So, kailangan lang magbayad ng $15 so you can access both the museum and the garden. Yun. Kung gusto mo lang yung garden lang, is 12. Yes. So, you just need to check in, show your vaccination card, and then pay for the fee. Let's go! Nandito si Harry Potter, Hermione, and Ron. Ito yung mga toys, mga collectibles from Wizard of Oz. Meron ding Alice in Wonderland. Ito, Alice in Wonderland din to. Tapos may mga dolls dito sa baba, oh. Si Queen of the West, and then si Alice, and then Tin Man. Maraming mga dolls. Para siyang nakasetup na room ng mga dolls. Ayan, may carriage, may mannequin doon. Ayun, meron din dito mga Barbies. Oh, may natutulog pa na doll. Ayun.
Hey babe, look what the hole I am in. I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could.
So ito naman, mga toys pa rin. Merong mga ref magnets for presidents of the United States. Meron pang more and more collectibles. Mga match yung sa posporo. Ayan, meron din doon. Tapos ito parang setup ng dining. Mga silverware, din dyan. Glassware, crystalware. Ang daming toys. So, sa mga mahilig mag-collect ng toys, talagang mawiwili dito sa lugar na to, sa museum na to. Because there are a wide selection of toys, mga collectibles from way, way, way back, 1920s. So, okay. Let's go! So, ito, meron din Princess Elizabeth and Princess Margaret dolls. Meron silang dolls na nandito. Naka-visit na actually si Queen Elizabeth dito. So, itong mga dolls, when they were still princesses, mga bata pa sila, ito yun. Ito. Yan. Okay, so from here, dun sa entrance ng Toy Museum, makikita mo actually yung view, part lang ng Blue Mountains. So, on the right, makikita yung Blue Mountains nandun. Choing! Sa Toy Museum. Ngayon punta naman tayo sa garden. It's a very wide and big garden. So let's explore! Let's go! So nandito na tayo sa garden. May nakita akong fountain. I can hear the sound of the water. So nandito pala, may fountain siya dito sa gilid. Okay, let's explore.
And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. Stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
I'm here! Into the woods! There's a new world right here! There's a new world! Ito, may malaking puno na naka-enclose dito. Tapos, meron siyang mga dahon-dahon and vines. Ganyan.
Time has gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Okay, Team Labs, nandito na naman kami sa...
Teapot Museum. Nandito kami sa Teapot Museum. So, ayan. Treasured Teapot Museum. Antiques, collectibles, and tea room. So, let's see. Wow, ang daming teacups dito. Teapot, teacups, and everything tea. So, marami ding mga silverware, mga crystalware. So, super dami.
hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
No. I love you. I love you. Tsaka ni baby, I love you. Then yeah, look forward for more. Both.
We would also like to thank Recado Sydney for our food. Ang sarap-sarap ng food, di ba guys?
Hip, hip, hooray!
Yes, so Recado Sydney, if you want to order food, Recado Sydney is the best. So we have the pancit malabon, caldereta, we have ube cake, we have dream cake. Ayun. Thank you so much, Anna, Recado. Thank you, sis. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Celeste.
Thank you, May.
I wish you all the best in life.
Oh, thank you so much.
Especially on the baby.
Baby love.
Congratulations, baby love.
Ikaw naman sunod.
Oh, baby love
Yan na
dito.
natin. Wala.
Before the December.
Uy, patay.
Bye-bye.
Yes. So love.
Love.
Happy birthday, Celeste!
Thank you. Thank you, Celeste. Gusto ko yung mag-thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Celeste. Thank you. Hindi ah.
Wag umiyak dyan.
Iyak na si Jan. I'm so happy for Celeste. Thank you, Jan.
And we're so excited.
Yes.
Nadamitan si Baby Love.
Baby love, gagawin namin dal.
And sana may kasunod, agad-agad. Sa amin din.
Number 2 naman yan. Number 2. Abangan ako sa ibang ano naman, sa ibang team. Ay,
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the
Hello,
things
teamlabs! So, nandito tayo sa Gordon Falls Reserve. Andito lang din siya sa Leura. First time pa namin nakapunta dito kasi yung dati, yung pinuntahan namin, Wentworth Falls. Iba naman yun. So, ito, Gordon Falls Reserve. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Let's go!
Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. Tonight. So just sit with me.
Ano nangyari, Dan? Ha? Malalim? Tingnan mo sa gilid sa taas. Tingnan natin, Team Labs. Okay, Team Labs. Bababa tayo dito sa napakatarik na hagdan.
You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just
Team Labs, pabalik na kami. Ayan, umakit na sila.
dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me.
So, nandito naman tayo sa Glen Haven. Actually, ito yung pinuntahan natin kahapon. Kaya lang kahapon, hindi tayo pumunta dito sa likod. Meron pa pala, wait, there's more. There's more pa pala dito sa likod na mas maganda pa, di ba, Me? So, ang daming flowers. Ayun. Look at that.
I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
Okay, so we hope that you enjoyed our video. That was our short birthday getaway to Leura, New South Wales. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified on future videos. Wala kayong ma-miss na new uploads from us. Thank you so much, God, and to my family, my friends, for all the birthday greetings, for all the warm wishes. Thank you so much, and for celebrating my 40th birthday with us. So it really means so much to me. Thank you for all the blessings, especially for my blessing coming February next year, our dearest baby loves. So yes, I have the greatest gift. That is my baby loves, diba? So I'm very grateful and thankful to God for another year of my life. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Bye.
Yes. Bye, Team Labs. Thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I'm remembering the words.
So, anong meron dito, Team Labs? May malaking painting. Yan. Then, doon. Dami. Dito pa.